Better be careful.
Yeah, you might smoke them a little bit.
You think?
Yeah, you're just gonna slide it back a bit, right? So we can pour the food in.
Oh,
They seem very docile.
Why do I have so much trouble with that damn thing?
I'm gonna get a good fire going there. I think you just would cap it too soon. Just doing. I think they're good. Maybe do the door. All right. Go the other way. Oh. All right, we're just gonna feed you, hungry bees. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna hurt them if I pour on them.
Pour a little bit and then stop.
So bees, they all seem to be pretty happy but hungry because they're not able to go out and get nectar. So I guess when they can't go out and get nectar, they feed off of the feeder. It's not two separate compartments, is it? It's one big one. I can continue pouring here. They're all over the base of that lid. I don't look to be hurting any, right?
No.
So this is just sugar water. 1 pint of water to 1 pound of sugar is the recipe. Boiled. The feeder holds a gallon, and they consume about a gallon a week while they're building a nest. You might give a little puff of smoke. Maybe he was just curious. Thank you. Oops. Oh, he's coming around me.
Come on, get it done, Cam. You're not
I'm
pouring.
going. I'm pouring. Here, you want a video? I'm just hoping that there's none in there, honey, that I'm drowning.